गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम जो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में मैथ सब्जेक्ट में स्टडी करेंगे। फर्स्ट में आज हम हाउ मैनी पोनी टेल्स करेंगे। ओके, तो लेट्स हैव स्टार्ट। हाउ मैनी पोनी टेल्स?
Now count the number of objects in each box and draw an equal number of lines in the empty box. One star, one kite, one flower, one leaf. So, draw one line in the box. Two kites, two leaves, two triangles, two dots. So, draw two lines in the box. Three triangles, three flowers, three kites, three leaves. So, draw three lines in the box. Good. Next is four flowers, four triangles, four dots, four stars. So, draw four lines in the box. Five kites, five dots, five leaves, five flowers. So, draw five lines in the box. Six stars, six flowers, six triangles, six dots. So, draw six lines in the box. Very good, Starry. Let's continue. Seven triangles, seven kites, seven flowers, seven leaves. Draw seven lines. Eight dots, eight stars, eight triangles, eight flowers. Draw eight lines. Nine leaves, nine flowers, nine kites, nine stars. Draw 9 lines. Good job, Starry. So, we have learned counting the objects. Hey, Starry. This is the data given in pictures. Let us read this data. The chart shows the names of some children and there are some apples at the side of each name. The first child is Ritu. She has 1, 2, 3. That is 3 apples. Then comes Jenny. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 apples. Ali has 2 apples. We can get even more data. Jenny has the most number of apples. Ali has the least number of apples. Hey, Starry, look at this picture. There is a kite for each boy. And here, every kitten has a bowl of milk. We can also see some girls. Each girl has a doll. Starry, wasn't that easy? Now, look at this picture. Let us read the data given here. Here we have the data about the toys that Meera, Nitin and Manoj have. Meera has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teddies. Nitin has 1, 2, 3, 4 toy cars. Manoj has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes. Now let's see who has the most toys. Meera has the most toys. Let us find out who has the least toys. Nitin has the least toys. Starry, now let's have some fun. There are some ships shown here. Let us draw a dot for every ship shown. A dot for this ship and a dot for this ship. Let us draw dots for each of these stars. A dot for this star, 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 and a dot for this star. Good! The following example shows the number of books sold by a bookseller in a week. Monday, 1. Tuesday, 2. Wednesday, 3. Thursday, 5. Friday 4, Saturday 3, Sunday 8. Here, for each day, we mark a vertical line called tally mark against the number of books sold by a bookseller. Here, on Monday, books sold is 1. Therefore, put 1 vertical line. For Tuesday, put 2 vertical lines. For Wednesday, put 3 vertical lines since the number of books sold is 3. For Thursday, the number of books sold is 5. So, Starry, how do we indicate 5 tally marks? Good. We write 5 vertical lines. For Friday, 4 vertical lines. For Saturday, 3. And for Sunday, 8 tally marks. Let us also draw dots for each of these monkeys. A dot for this monkey, a dot for this monkey, a dot for this monkey, and a dot for this monkey. Now, let's draw dots for each of these cherries. Here we draw a dot for this cherry, a dot for this cherry, and a dot for this cherry. Now, Starry, will you try drawing a dot for every car? A dot for this car. Now, look at this example. The following information shows the number of animals of different types in a zoo. Monkeys, 5. Tigers, 3. Lions, 1. Elephants, 6. Camels, 7. Deer, 8. We get the table as shown here. Starry, please draw a dot for each tab. Let us see what you have drawn, Starry. A dot for this tab, 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 and a dot for this tab. Very good, Starry. You are a quick learner. The last example, Starry. The following information shows the number of each type of fruits in the basket of a fruit seller. Apples, 6. Oranges, 5. Pineapples, 1. Bananas, 4. Pomegranates, 1. Is it not easy to use tally marks? Let us carry out an interesting activity. This chart gives data about the fruits liked by some children. Let us make the tally marks for the given data and then fill in the blanks. Draw a line for each child. The number of children who like grapes is 4. The number of children who like mangoes is 8. The number of children who like watermelon is 5. The number of children who like pineapple is 3. Which fruit is liked by the least number of children? The answer is pineapple. Which fruit is liked by the most number of children? The answer is mango. Let us look at another activity. Let us read the data and fill in the blanks. 1. Which sport is liked the most? Football. 2. How many children like carrom? 6 children. 3. The number of children playing badminton is 4. 4. The sport or game played the least is hockey. 5. How many children play cricket? The answer is 5. 6. The number of children who play football is? The answer is 7. So sorry, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Hey Starry, take a look at my book collection. Oh, you need not count the books of each type. I have the information ready for you in the form of pictures. Can you tell me, Starry, how many religious books are there? Yes, Starry, there are 6 religious books. Now, Starry, tell me which type of books are least in number. Yes, religious books are least in number. They are only 6. Other type of books are more in number. How many drawing books are there? Yes, Starry, there are 7 drawing books. Now, Starry, try to answer this question. By how many is the number of educational books more than comics? Yes, dear, there are 15 educational books and there are 10 comics. 15 minus 10 is 5. So, the educational books are more than the comics by 5. Now answer this question. What is the number of short story books? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 short story books. Story. Now, you know that you can easily answer the questions by looking at the pictures. But story, sometimes only pictorial information is given, and we have to frame questions using the information and draw conclusions. Starry, take a look at this data. It shows the number of children in a music class learning to play various musical instruments. Looking at this pictorial information, we have to frame questions ourselves and answer them. Our first question. How many children are learning to play tabla? Looking at the picture, we can tell that 5 children are learning to play tabla. Okay, let us frame the next question. Name the instrument which maximum children are learning to play. Looking at the picture, we can say that maximum children are learning to play guitar. Starry, frame another question now. Yes, how many children are learning to play the flute? From the picture, it is clear that 3 children are learning to play flute. Now, the last question. What is the total number of children enrolled in the music class? Yes, in order to find the total number, we have to add the number of children playing various instruments. So, 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 19. So, 19 children are enrolled in the music class. Isn't this interesting, Starry? Let us take a look at one more pictorial information. This picture shows the number of ice cream cones in a shop of each flavor sold in a day. Look at this information. We have to frame questions and answer them. Our first question. How many mango ice cream cones are sold? Looking at the picture, we know that 11 mango ice cream cones are sold. Our next question. Which ice cream cones are sold the least? Yes, ice cream of Chico flavor are sold the least. Here is the next question. Name the flavor of which 7 ice creams are sold. Yes, 7 cones of lychee flavor are sold. Okay, next question. How many chocolate ice cream cones are sold? More than lychee ice cream cones? Let us find out. Number of chocolate ice cream cones sold is 15. number of lychee ice cream cones sold is 7. The difference is 15 minus 7, which is equal to 8. So, 8 chocolate ice cream cones are sold more than lychee ice cream cones.